Hi everyone, this is a Golf Min. Today I'm working on the Whirlpool dryer that won't spin. So I set up the timer, press the door switch lever, and press the start button. You can hear the motor sound, but the drum not spinning. After unplug the power, I take off the lint screen and then take off the two screws there. I will show you. I used magnetic tree to hold the screws there. I also use the number to see which the step I take off the screws. 0, 1, 2, and 3. There's a two benefit. One is not losing screw. The second one, you know which screw is used in which step. I put a link in the description below for your reference if you like. Use 1-inch putty knife to press release the upper lid latch, both sides, and then lift up the lid, lean against the back wall. Unplug door switch connector. And then use the 1/4-inch nut screwdriver to unscrew the bolt on both sides of the front panel. Put screw in the magnetic tree, labeled step 1. And then get ready to get that front panel out of the dryer. Take off the front panel and put aside. And then gently take the drum out. You can see there's no driving belt there. Rear roller is not free to turn. And the idler wheel, there is a mark there. You can see the broken belt. I quickly clean up the old lint accumulated there. First, I take the roller stopper and then pull out the roller. I need to clean up the shaft. After I clean it, I put the rear roller stopper first on. Then I apply the 3-in-1 lubricant. It will reduce the noise and the worm of the roller and the shaft. After that, I install the new roller and then put on the roller stopper. I put a link for the Whirlpool dryer maintenance kit in the description below. After that, I spin it. You can see it spins very well. Next, I'm going to take off the left rear roller supporting bracket. I lose the mounting bolt there first. And then gently pry off the bracket on the roller shaft. Roller is hard to spin. Take off the front, the roller stop. And then pull out the roller. Clean up the shaft. And then take off the rear roller stop. After final clean up the shaft, Install the roller stop. And then spray the 3-in-1 lubricant. Put the new roller on. And then put the front roller stop on. Right now you can spin the roller freely. Use the new belt to lift out the drum and gently put into the dryer. Sit on the roller inside. Double check the drum felt seal sit in properly, and then spin to see it's free, no somewhere stuck or flip over. Put the belt underneath the tension roller, and then press the tension roller. Make the more room for the belt. Put around of the motor shaft. Right now, put the front panel on. Make sure they sit well and fully support the drum. Also make sure at the lower bow side there is a latch on the frame. Make sure they are engaged. And then put both screws mounted on. Plug in the door switch connector. Put the upper lid back on. Make sure the latch engaged. Put the mounting screw back on. And then insert the lint screen back on. After plugging in the power, we test it. Set the timer and press the door switch. Press the start button and then it spins. Thank you for watching to this moment. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Also hit notification bell. Thank you. See you next time.